You know, it's always a good idea to clear up your media cache after you've wrapped up your projects. It's like tidying up your workspace and freeing up some valuable storage space to get rid of those unnecessary preview render files and save some space. Here's what you can do. Click on Edit, then head to Preferences, and finally, click on Media Cache. Once you're there, just hit that Delete button right next to Remove Media Cache Files. A dialog box will pop up, giving you some options to choose from. You can either go for Delete Unused Media Cache Files, which will remove any files that were created for source media that can't be found anymore. Or, if you're feeling bold, you can take the plunge and select Delete All Media Cache Files from the system. This option clears out all cache files from the current location. But don't worry, whenever your source media requires them, those cache files will be automatically recreated. Oh, and a quick tip. If you want to clear out all media cache files in one go, just restart Premiere Pro and choose that option before opening any project. Easy peasy, right? Just click OK and you're good to go. But hey, there's another option you might want to consider. Premiere Pro has got your back with an automatic media cache management feature. It's like having a little assistant to take care of things for you. Go to Preferences, then Media Cache, and check out these options. If you want to keep things as they are and handle the cache files yourself, leave Do Not Delete Cache Files automatically checked. By default, this option covers IPEC, PCA-ND-EMS files within the subdirectory folders, peak files, and media cache files. Now, if you're more of a hands-off person, you can let Premiere Pro handle the cache for you. Just enable automatically delete cache files older than. By default, it's set to 90 days, but feel free to adjust it to whatever time period suits your workflow. Feeling adventurous? Try out automatically delete oldest cache files when cache exceeds. The default setting is 10% of the volume size where the media cache is located. It's like your cache cleanup genie, getting rid of the oldest files to keep things running smoothly. So, whether you prefer the hands-on approach or want Premiere Pro to do the cache management for you, now you're equipped with the knowledge to keep your media cache in check. Happy editing!